Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to write small letter alphabets. Follow every step and let's start the video. Draw a circle and turn a line to the up, and this is A for apple. One standing line and then draw a curve, and this is B for ball. Draw a dot and then draw a circle, and this is C for cat. One standing line and then draw a curve. This is D for dog. Draw a small sleeping line and then draw a curve. Yes, this is E for elephant. Draw a standing line and then small curve, and this is a dot, and one sleeping line. This is F for fish. Draw a small circle and then turn it to the down and then turn it to the back side, and this is Z for goat. One standing line and then draw a curve like me, and this is H for horse. One small standing line and over another standing line and a small dot, and this is I for ice cream. One sleeping line, one standing line, and then a curve and a small dot, and this is Z for jug. One standing line, one slanting line, another slanting line, and this is K for kite. One standing line over another standing line, and this is L for lion. One standing line, one curve and another curve, and this is M for mango. One standing line and one curve, and this is N for nest. Draw a circle, and this is O for owl. One standing line and draw a small curve, and this is P for parrot. Draw a small circle and then turn it to the down and draw a back turn, and this is Q for queen. One standing line, one sleeping line, and a small curve, and this is R for rose. Start a line like me and then turn it to the opposite and then draw a curve, and this is S for sheep. One standing line over another standing line and a sleeping line, and this is T for tiger. Draw a big curve, and this is U for umbrella. One slanting line, another slanting line, and this is V for van. Draw a curve shape and another curve shape, and this is W for watch. Draw a curve and then turn it like me, and then another curve, and this is X for xylophone. One curve and standing line and turn it to the back. This is a Y for yak. One sleeping line, one slanting line, and another sleeping line, and this is Z for Jew. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, tata, bye bye little kids.